Even the slightest of scratches on your bike can make your heart sink. Hi guys, my name is Tanish and today I'm here to tell you how easy it is to get rid of those scratches on your bike and restore the shine to your bike. Let's get right to it. Start with a clean dry cloth and start wiping down the surface to get rid of any dust and grime. Use the Moto Max car shampoo if needed. Next, make sure the surface is clean and dry and then grab a clean, damp cloth and the Moto Max Bike Liquid Polish. Pour the polish onto the cloth and apply it directly onto the surface, using a circular motion like this. Once the polish dries up, apply even pressure and buff it with a clean, dry cloth. Just rub lightly and as you can see, the stains and scratches soon start to disappear and a nice bright shine appears on the surface. Now you can use any bike polish you like, but the Moto Max Bike Liquid Polish is my go-to shiner because it not only restores the shine but also protects the paint and gets rid of any minor oxidized layers from the surface. It's basically the ultimate bike shiner and given how quickly it works, it's a lifesaver when you're in a hurry. There you have it folks, this is how easy it is to have your bike looking new again.